Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville machine with us in the shop. This machine had came in for main issue that this machine wasn't steaming. Our solution was looking in there. The switch that actually is right here that goes to the steam side wasn't wanting to conduct anymore, and so after replacing that with a brand new one, it starts working perfectly fine. Also, another thing is the steam was pretty weak, and I had seen that a lot of the steam was leaking through actually the top, and the water was dripping down the steam wand, which means that gasket in there was not doing well anymore. So we went in there, replaced it, re-lubricated, and cleaned the backside of the steam wand. It is a little stiff right now, as you can see if I start moving it. You still can move it, but it's a little stiff just because of that new gasket. And so the more you use it, the more it should be good. But we're just going to test the steam real quick. Just a quick test. This is the only test we're going to do on this machine. That's all the work we did. We didn't do any cleaning or anything along the lines of that. All we did was service the steam wand. So now it's going to start pumping. Now, a lot of that steam was going to leave through the top, but since we patched it up, it should all be going through here. There it goes. As you can see, a lot of steam coming out, and it's still warming up. But yeah, really good amount of steam. And we're just going to turn this off. And that's about it for this video. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.